Calling one function many times. Hi! In the previous videos, we saw how to write a function and how to call that function. It is very easy and we know how to do it. Do you also know that you can call the same function many times? Yes, it is possible. We can call a function as many times as we can just by using the name of the function. Let us compare it with the lift example. Okay? Imagine you want to meet your friend who lives in the same building, but her house is on a different floor. What will you do? You will press the button to call the lift and use it to go to that floor. So, whenever you want to go to your friend's house, you will do the same thing again and again. You will press the button to call the lift and use it. Did you notice that the lift is installed only once, but you called it as many times as you like, right? In the same way, once a function is written, you can call the same function as many times as you want, just like using the lift. Let us go to Python and see how to call the same function again and again. It is so simple. All the functions we are going to see now are the same functions we wrote before. Let us start our first example with the function to print, which we wrote in our previous video. Now, shall we save the file and run the code to check for the output? Let us do it. So, save the file and run the code. We do not get any output. We very well know now that to get the output, we have to call the function we have written. How to do it? We write the name of our function, my_study, and then we put open and close brackets at the end. Now, let us save the file and run the code. Now the output is printed as learning functions at CodePunner. Now, like calling the lift, let us call our my_study function one more time. So, we write my_study, open bracket, close bracket again. Save the file and run the code again. See, now the output is printed as learning functions at CodePunner 2 times. Why? Because we call the function 2 times using these 2 statements. Did you notice that we have written the function only once here, but we called it 2 times? Okay, shall we call the same function one more time? So, we write my_study, open bracket, close bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output is printed as learning functions at CodePunner for 3 times now. In this example, we have called the my_study function 3 times. In the same way, you can also call a function as many times as you like. I hope you understand now how to call a function many times. See you all in the next video with more interesting examples. Bye bye.